हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल स्टडी मीडिया। कैसे हैं आप सभी? उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सभी स्वस्थ होंगे, अच्छे से होंगे। तो आज इस वीडियो में हम करने वाले हैं विजिट टू अ बर्ड सेंचुरी पर एस्से राइटिंग। Visiting a bird sanctuary can be a captivating experience, offering a glimpse into the fascinating world of avian life. As I stepped into the sanctuary, I was greeted by a chorus of bird calls, creating a symphony of natural sounds. The lush greenery and tranquil surroundings provided a perfect setting for observing these magnificent creatures in their natural habitat. Walking along the winding paths, I spotted birds of all shapes, sizes, and colors. Some were perched high in the trees, while others foraged for food on the ground. Each bird seemed to have its own unique personality, from the playful antics of the parrots to the graceful movements of the herons. One of the highlighting of my visit was seeing a bird of prey up close. Its keen eyes and powerful talons were a reminder of the importance of preserving our natural world of future generations to enjoy. तो यहाँ पे हमारी वीडियो ख़त्म होती है। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, कमेंट करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। थैंक यू।